Good morning students. Again we will study chapter 11 money part 3rd multiplication. Multiplication of money. How to multiply money? How to multiply our money? First, for example, rupees 17.50 multiplied by 5. Here rupees 17.5 multiplied by rupees 17.50 multiplied by 5. Now we multiply this. Then now we multiply this 17. First you multiply this 17.50 multiply 5. Then multiply this. 5 0 ja 0. Then 5 5 ja 25. 5. Then carrying 2. Then 5 7 ja 35. 35 plus 2 37. Then carrying 3. Then 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 3 8. This is our answer. Now you put the point decimal. How many digits here? 2. Therefore you also 1 2 here you put. Our answer is, now our answer is 87.50. 87.50. Understand you? One more question. Rupees 48 and 35 paise multiply 7. Again our question, rupees 48.35 multiply 7. Now we multiply this number 48.35 multiply 7. Then now we multiply this number. 7 5 ja 35. Then 3 carrying. 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus 3 24. Then carrying 2. 7 8 ja 56. 56 2 58. Then carrying 5. 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 5 33. Then how many decimal here? How many? 1 2. You also 1 2 count the digit 1 2 then put a dot. Now our answer is 338.45. 338 rupees 45 paise. Understand? One more question. Rupees 125 and 50 paise multiply by 4. Rupees 125 and 50 paise multiply by 4. Again you multiply this 125.50 multiply 4. Now you multiply this. 4 0 ja 0. 4 5 ja 20. Then carrying 2. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus 2 22. Then 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carrying 1. 4. 1 ja 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then, how many digits we remove? 1, 2. Here you put a dot. Understand you? Then our answer is 502. There is 0, 0 in paise. Now, how to solve in word problem? Listen here. The cost of a chair is rupees 150 and 75 paise. What is the cost of 6 chairs? Read the question. The cost of a chair is rupees 150.75. What is the cost of 6 chairs? Understand? One cost given, many find. This is multiplication. One cost given, one a chair, cost of a chair. One given, many you find. This is multiplication. Understand? Then solution. First our solution. The cost of a chair is rupees 150.75. Second line, the cost of how many chairs we purchase? 6. 6 chairs is equal to rupees 150.75 multiply 6. The cost of 6 chairs is equal to rupees 150.75 multiply 6. Now we multiply this number. 150.75 multiply 6. 6 5 ja 30, then carrying 3. 6 7 ja 42, 42 plus 3 45, then carrying 4. 6 0 0, 0 plus 4 4, then 6 5 ja 30, 0 carrying 3. 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 3 9. Then next step we put a decimal point dot. How many? 1 2 here. Then our answer rupees 904 and 50 paise. Then which word we use? Answer hence rupees 904.50 paise the cost of 6 chairs. The cost of 6 chairs. Understand you? One more question, right? The cost of one book for rupees 125.75. Find the cost of, find the cost of 9 books. Again we read the question. The cost of a book for rupees 125 and 75 paise. Find the cost of 9 books. First the statement we write. Then here also one given, many find. This is multiplication. First we write the cost of a book is equal to rupees 125 and 75 paise. Then the cost of 9 books is equal to rupees 125.75 multiply 9. Now we multiply this. 125.75 multiply 9. This multiply. 9 5 ja 45, then carrying 4. 9 7 ja 63, then 67, carrying 6. 9 5 ja 45, then 51, carrying 5. 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 5, 23, carrying 2. Then 9 1 ja 9, then 11. Now we put a dot or point, decimal. How many digit? Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then our answer, hence rupees 1131 and 75 paise for the cost of how many books? 9 books. You understand this? This here end our chapter, money chapter. Any doubt for you? Then here homework question number 2 A to F of exercise 11.4 you do in notebook. Okay, thank you.